Happy Father's Day to all dads out there. Bilang haligi ng tahanan, we only want the best for our family. Mahirap man, I work abroad for more than 20 years to provide a good life for them. Pero noong lockdown, it was an eye-opener for me. I realized that I wanted to be with them and still be the best provider. And that became possible with Top Grocery. For this video, I'll share my tips on how I started the business. Tip number 1, self-discipline and consistency. Dahil hawak mo ang oras mo, bawal ang tamad. Hindi pwedeng sa umpisa lang masipag dahil consistency is the key. I'm thankful for this opportunity, kaya lalo ko pang sinisipagan every day. Tip number 2, set a clear goal. Coming from corporate, it's important to set your goals, plans, and timeline. This will help manage your expectations and gauge the improvement of your business.
Tip number 3, be hands-on sa negosyo. 2-man team lang kami ng wife ko nung nag-umpisa kami. Kami lahat ang nag-aasikaso ng lahat ng gawain sa tindahan.
Pero dito ko nakilala ang mga customers namin. Na-identify ang fast-moving items at peak seasons. Dito ko rin natutunan na dapat one-stop shop ka para hindi na lumipat sa iba ang mga suki mo. Thankful ako dahil one-stop shop rin si Swissing at pre-delivery pa. And gradually, we hired and trained people to make our business more efficient. At the end of the day, everything is for your children. Kaya tip number 4, be a present parent. Before, umuwi talaga ako tuwing birthdays and holidays. Ngayon, I close the store if my family occasions. But syempre, this is only temporary since the goal is to operate the store independently. Trial and error lang talaga sa simula. Learn as you go so you can improve and reach your goal faster. Thanks for watching mga kaswising!